Hi everyone, today's video will be a little bit more relaxed and super simple. I'll show you how I transformed this decorative concrete vase into a fully functional one. Picture style vase you can actually use with water without needing any varnishing, any coverage. And if you want to see how I made the original decorative version, you can check out the video linked here. So let's get started. First, you'll need a glass bottle. Yes, any bottle you like, just make sure it's the right diameter. Mine is tall and narrow. And you'll need a glass cutter. I'm using the cutter to remove the neck of the bottle. Once that's done, you'll have a nice clean glass base to work with. Now I head down to my workspace to start the cement process. You also need some strong wire, the kind that doesn't bend too easily. We'll attach it to the bottle and it serves as the handle of our vase. From here things are super easy. I take my cement mix and start applying it over the glass surface and around the wire handle. You don't need any special skills for this part, just cover everything as evenly as possible. And remember, you can shape the handle however you like. Don't forget to cover the handle with the cement mix too. And this part can be a bit tricky. I actually recommended folding the wire in half to give it more thickness and strength. Once it's all dry, this is what it looks like. Next step, smoothing out the surface. I used tile grout mixed with water and a bit of PVC glue, like white glue. I applied it all over the vase to even things out and make the whole surface more solid. For the handle, I paid extra attention. It needs to be super sturdy to support the weight of the vase, and this grout mixture worked really well for that. So once everything is dry, I wanted to brighten up the color, so I used diluted white acrylic paint to give it a clean, fresh finish. And here's the final result. A unique handmade picture vase, simple, strong and beautiful.